Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to enter the tropics and we are going to go in and make a drunken monkey cocktail. So for this cocktail, we are going to need fresh squeezed orange juice, pineapple juice, spiced rum, banana liqueur, coconut rum, and then a splash of grenadine. And this is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins. Make sure you have your jigger for accurate measurement. It is going to go in a rocks glass. And then, of course, because we have that fresh juice, we are going to be using our Hawthorne and our mesh strainer. As always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below, so that way you can build the cocktail right along with me. All right, we're going to start in with 2 full ounces of our fresh squeezed orange juice. And then we're going to do 2 full ounces of pineapple juice. Sorry guys, I'm not juicing a pineapple, it's just not happening. And then we're going to do 1 full ounce of your favorite brand of banana liqueur. And then we're going to do 1 full ounce of spiced rum. And then 1 full ounce of coconut rum. And then just to give this guy a little dash of color, not that there isn't already 75 million ingredients in here, we're going to give just a splash of grenadine. And then we are going to fill our shaker tin to the top. And then we are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until everything is ice cold in our hands. Remember, we did use fresh squeezed orange juice, so we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer as well as our mesh strainer. We are going to put ice in our glass as well. If we can get it out of the bucket. All right. It's going to have a gorgeous, gorgeous color to it. Oh, she is beautiful. I'm going to just top this off here. Hopefully I get a little bit of foam coming out. Oh, just a little bit, but enough to make her pretty. And then to finish this off, I promise this is actually an orange. I know it's really pink, but it's an orange. Excuse me. Huh. All right. Well, no one's drinking this except for me, so haha. All right. There we have it. We have the Drunken Monkey cocktail. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy seeing my beautiful face every day, whether or not I sneeze in the video or not is yet to be seen. But if you like seeing my face every day, you enjoy the cocktails, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys until the next pour. Cheers.